So, very good evening, Nazia. How are you doing?
Very good evening. I'm good. And what about you, ma'am?
I'm doing great. Thank you so much for asking. And first of all, Happy New Year.
Oh, same to you. Yeah. How was your New Year? You were
It was
some,
same.
you went somewhere, right?
Yeah, I went somewhere, but that is not for the New Year. Yeah, but
Mm-hmm.
it was my birthday that time. So we went to
Okay.
Jaipur.
Okay. So belated happy birthday to you. My God
Thank,
bless you everything which you are waited for along. So
thank you
yeah,
so much. Thank you. How was your life going? I think we are connecting a third time, right?
correct. Yes.
Now I'm correct.
Yeah.
So how's everything?
Everything is perfect is going on. And
How's your New Year?
as usual, I don't went anywhere. I didn't went anywhere. I'm just enjoy with my family and at
Okay.
my
So
home. Yeah.
okay. So you should say I didn't go anywhere.
Yes, I have seen some of your pic on YouTube channel. Then I understood you went somewhere.
Yeah, I'm fond of uploading pics of all the trips I had because that time I was not creating videos, not creating content. So I thought of whatever I'm doing, at least I should
Yes.
post that. So I have also
Mm-hmm.
created some short videos, mini vlog, which I have
Mm-hmm.
shared on my channel too. So that in future, if I will, try to see everything, so I can just see it in one click. So for that reason, also
Correct.
sometimes I upload vlogs.
Mm-hmm. Right, ma'am. This is a very good thing. I would say if you want to enjoy and if you want to just create your memory in a proper manner, so you can upload your
Yes.
video, yes, for yourself. Okay, that time we enjoyed such a manner that was amazing, and we feel happy.
Yes.
After long seeing such a video and clicks and photos, all the stuff.
Yes, that is true. That is true. So how is your practice going on? What's new?
Nothing's new. That's always lots of things for doing. Now lots of things on my plate. So in this way, I'm thinking I in this year I am thinking I have to work hard for my communication and my English fluency. So in this way, I made a plan. But definitely, I will try to do something good effort for my speaking journey.
That's great. Good to know that. I think when the years start, many people take this resolution that I will do this and that. But when the time started passing, we all forget about those things and we are, again busy in our life. But
Right.
yes, with the same note, I have also planned a few things that I need to achieve in the year 2025. You can say that I have set a short-term goal for myself so that I can achieve them. And did you also set any kind of goal which you want to achieve in the next year, or would you like to share with me?
Sure, every person they want make themselves as a good person. Same likewise, I made some plan for me, and I set some goal for me. So as a person, I set a goal. Just I want to improve my personality, and I did what kind of a mistake in 2024. So I will never repeat same mistake in 2025. And in this way, I want to be a very good human being. So every single day and keep clean my heart and keep clean my mind, because peacefulness is very important for every human being. If you are mentally free and peaceful, so you can achieve each and everything which is upcoming on your path. Sometimes opportunity comes our path, but we can't understand what kind of opportunity comes, because we have a lots of stuck in our mind. Only one reason we just lose such a opportunity. So in this way, I made a plan. I will just keep quiet, keep clean my mind, and just keep uh, likewise, like there is no regret and no such a negative emotion in my mind and heart. So in this way,
That
I will work over there and be a very spiritual and peaceful person.
that's great. Good to know that. I have heard. I think this is very new to me. No one has told this thing like I want to be a good human being in the coming year. Every person set a goal which are helpful to grow him as a person. Like most of the time, it's related to wealth. If you want to improve your personality, that is also because you want to achieve something in your life.
Right.
The same goal I have, like I want to work on my personality, my communication, my health, want to leave this habit of eating junk, and that is very
Madam,
bad
I'm
habit
talking.
actually.
1 minute, 1 minute. Don't talking. Sit quiet. Yes. Yes, go
Yeah.
ahead, madam.
So these are the few goals which I have think that I'll achieve in future. Second thing, one more thing I would like to add here, that I always wanted to be a creative person. I want to create something nice for the people who are watching me. And for
Mm-hmm.
that, I'm doing something. I'll try to finish it as quickly, like within a month or two. Then I'll show it on my channel, and I hope it will be good. People will like it. Yeah.
Definitely. Definitely.
And what else? Anything new you are doing to improve your English? Or it's the same like having conversation only?
Yes, sir. Now I started my reading habits because before I started, but having lots of stuff in my life, I just end up this habit. So in this way, I am thinking, okay, what kind of situation I will face? I will continuously my reading habits because this is a very good habit. So I
That's great.
definitely in this year I will read a lot that I plan for
Okay.
that. Yeah,
That's really good thing. I think reading helps you a lot while it comes to your communication, your knowledge part, especially when you are reading, you are gaining a knowledge which you cannot find anywhere else. So reading book
correct.
is really a good thing which every person should do at least for 15 minutes a day, I think. However, if I talk about me, I'm not getting this time because my kids are at home. It's winter's break. So I think your kids
Mhm.
are also at home these days.
Yes, 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 yes.
So how you are managing, how you are getting time to create videos?
It is quite difficult to me, but anyhow, this is my duty. If I created my YouTube channel, so you have to upload time to time for your audience because your audience are waiting for your video. If you are there, likewise, if you take your duty and your work, so definitely you get the time. So this is your priority. If you make your something your for your priority, so definitely you get the time for that.
Yeah, the same is happening with me. My both of the children are at home. One is actually younger. He has to be at home, but the other one, he's at home these days. So now he's playing with his friend. One of his friends comes to my house. So they
Mm-hmm.
both were playing business game. So I thought of, okay, it is the right time to create a video because my younger one is sleeping right now and they both are playing. And I think my older one, he's quite mature now, like 6 years plus he is now. So he can look after my younger one, not exactly in the way I want him to do, but he can still manage. For example, if he'll wake up, he will call my name loudly so that I can go downstairs. So I just give him instructions that the moment he'll wake up, you have to call me.
Mm-hmm.
This is how I'm managing.
So with your in-laws also is there?
She's not here for a month. She went to somewhere else for this month. So I have to manage everything alone now. But it's quite
Mhm.
comfortable. I am not facing as such problems as I thought
Okay.
of. Yeah,
Ma'am, as you working like as a advocate, right? So are you going every day for office or you're working from your home?
I'm working from my home. It is not possible for me to go out of my house, leaving
Hmm.
two children behind. So for that reason, I'm doing it online, and my official timing is 10:30 to 1:30 only. And
Okay.
I attend all the hearings in front of my children. They were playing here and there, and I'm just attending my hearing. So I'm not facing a lot of difficulties doing that. But yes, for
Mm-hmm.
shooting a video, I need some like peaceful time. They cannot
Yeah.
create noise. So for
Yes.
that reason, I'm facing a little bit of difficulties, but that is also again fine.
Mm-hmm. Yes, it is difficult with the kids if you are want to create a video. So children
Hmm.
they don't know about our what we are doing. They just make a noise and they having a nature like that. Whenever they get the free
Hmm.
time, and then they get their friends they talk a lot. Doesn't matter
Yeah,
we are them. Don't talk, don't
yes,
talk.
they
They
talk a
repeatedly
lot.
they same things again and again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially if you will tell them that please be quiet, I'm doing something. That time also they will keep talking. They don't listen to you.
Mm-hmm. Correct. Okay,
Yeah.
children are children. They're having a nature such as so. How we can say them they are children. So this is their
Yeah.
time. This is the golden time. Just them enjoy, make them enjoy their life and their childhood. Make them memory for their. future.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. That's true.
Okay,
Or
so I want to know, ma'am, one question to you, that that when you started your journey, so that time how you face the people, how you overcome a simple note. I want to know because you are very confident. In my point of view, I have never seen such a person who has such a confident. What kind of activity you are doing? You just speak such a very polite manner. So I impressed a lot. So how it
okay,
is
so if you
possible?
talk, see, it's
Mhm.
all about confidence. That is absolutely true. How I became confident, because I was this kind of person since my childhood. My mother, she allowed me to do anything I want. She never put restrictions on me that you can't do this and that. So I was a kind of free child. You can say that. I explored everything myself. I started going out since my very young age. When I was only 5 or 6 years old, I started to go out and buy groceries and, milk for the family, vegetables. This is how I gained this confidence to talk with people outside the house. One thing is that. Second is, if we talk about my English learning journey, in the beginning, I was a kind of person who used to hesitate talking with the people in front of me. So I started through audio call first. So I started talking to the people on calls only through Ace Fluency application. I used to practice 25 minutes a day, and it was my regular practice. I don't remember that I've ever missed that 25 minutes, because that's the restricted time you get, only 25 minutes. So I make sure that I have to practice for 25 minutes on audio call. After few months of practicing, I feel that now I should start facing camera. So the moment I started creating videos, used to feel really shy. Used to feel very hesitant. Overacting also, I can say that I used to do overacting. I was not familiar with the camera, so it was very difficult for me in the beginning. After working 3, 4, 5 or 7 months, I can say that I was able to face the camera. I did not even know how to look, where to look while you're talking, watching your phone. So my eye contact is somewhere else. So people commented me that, ma'am, your eyes are somewhere else. You are reading from somewhere or something. Like, it was very difficult for me in the beginning. Now I know that I have to look at the camera point, not the picture. So it took me a lot of time. And then I started talking with the people, first with the strangers, because strangers are the people who are not going to judge you. They don't know you. They will talk and they will move on. Okay. So I get the advantage of those people. I started talking with the people who calls me for marketing purpose, insurance company, banking sector, ye, wo, like we daily receive these kinds of calls. So I used to answer them. I used to talk with them for stretch of 15, 20 minutes. And then I started talking with the people when I'm going out or placing order, Domino's, McD, restaurant, try to communicate. This is how my journey was begin. And slowly, gradually, when I've started my YouTube channel, I became more confident while talking different people from diverse background every day. Each day I have learned something, and this is how I get this kind of confidence. So it's all about the experience. So if somebody want to be confident like me, you have to go through that experience. You have to gain that experience, and then only you will be confident. Yeah.
Correct. Yes, if you want to achieve something, you have to go the journey that is you face. Yes, process is
Yes.
important a lot. If you want to improve your level, you have to enjoy the process. What kind of process you are facing right now? Sometimes we feel, uncomfortable talking to someone, reading some a book, and listening international talk. So we feel uncomfortable. But sometime after that uncomfortable situation make us a comfortable person.
Comfortable.
So it takes
True.
time. There is
It
no
takes time.
shortcut for the success. You have to
Hmm.
give your effort. It is very difficult to with the kids. If you're having husband, family, and kids, it is
Yes.
very difficult. If we
Very
get the such a time when we was unmarried, so that was a golden period for us, but we missed that time. And anyhow,
yes.
we get this opportunity. That is very also good. We are fine. Overall, we are getting some women. They are just waiting for such a opportunity. They are not getting. We having a privilege. We are taking a session, uploading our video, and we are learning. People are learning our video. So that is very good things, I would say.
Yeah. I think I have read a quote somewhere which says, that opportunities don't come, you have to create them. So I think you need to
Hmm.
work, you need to start putting some efforts in the right
Hmm.
direction, then only you will see the opportunities. If you're sitting at home, you're enjoying your life, you're doing your household chores, you're not looking here and there, no opportunity will come in front of you. You have to look after them, you have to find out your way. Then when you are going on that way, you will automatically find few opportunities and you have to grab them. So that is the normal process everyone is going through. So if you are at home, if you're thinking that you want to do something, first of all allow yourself to think wide.
Yes.
When you start thinking wide, somewhere from some point of time you will get this idea of working. Okay, I should do this, I should do that, because this is the time when you are getting so many opportunities. Even if you want to do work from home, there are many opportunities. Many women, they are working from home. HR jobs
Hmm.
are there these days, consultancy jobs are there. You can do it just by sitting at home. You just need to be a little bit of, you have this experience of communication, that is very important for each and every job which is available.
Right.
So that is why
Hmm.
people are running after this English language. There's no such other reason people are running. It is only
Right.
because they know, once I'll be perfect with my communication, I will get many opportunities. So
Correct.
yes, you should start working for your communication first. Once you will feel that now you are able to communicate with anyone, you will automatically start finding the ways. You will find opportunities in your way. Like you can do this, that freelancing that is there. Many people are doing freelancing and are doing a lot of good money out of that. Vlogging, YouTube, many things are there.
Hmm. Correct. Correct. It's depend to you where you are putting yourself and which kind of I don't talking. It is depend totally depend to you which kind of opportunity you want to in your life. If you're working there,
Yes.
definitely if you work there, so you get the consequences after some time. But first, you have to put lots of effort. It is not easy without putting your effort and without hard work. It's take your time. It's consume your time, effort, energy, everything. Then you get.
And I would like to say, if you have nothing in your mind that what you should do with your life, I would tell you the best thing you could
Hmm.
do. Start searching on YouTube. Start watching few knowledgeable
Right.
videos. There are so many videos on YouTube. You can just put how to make money and just search in YouTube bar. You will find so many videos. Just watch them, understand them, and you will definitely find one way or other to earn money. So that's not difficult these days in this era when there are so many opportunities, work from home opportunities for the housewife are there. So yes.
Yes, people are very nowadays. Everyone has a well educated. They have a degree. They have a skill, so they have to take their own decision. Right after taking decision, they have to find out which area they should to work hard. Don't compare yourself to other one. Oh, she working
Yes.
there, so I will also. I will simultaneously. Some are not good at English. They are thinking, oh, she is good at English. That's why she's very confident. You can find out
I
your
think my
area.
son is calling me. I have to go. I'm so sorry.
Okay, okay, no issue.
I think my younger one has wake up now.